Zoo, zoo. Welcome to my channel. Today I Ayush will show you how to make this colorful aeroplane. You can see it has Indian flag and you can see from all sides. It has design here, you can see here, and it also flies very far, like like this. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the like button, and please see my video till end. So let's see how I made that gliding plane. So first we need a paper. Okay, so let's start. So first we have to fold it like this. You can see we have to make a triangle. You can see here. And then we have to open. You can see a line is formed here, and then we have to fold it again in the other side. You can see it, and then a cross will form. You can see here, and then we have to fold it like this. Only from we have to put a finger in the between of the cross, and we have to fold it like this, and then we have to do like this. I will show you again. First we have to do like this, and then we have to fold it like this. You can see here, and then we have to do the same in the other side, and then it will form a triangle. You can see here it is formed a triangle, and then we have to make it tighter that it will look nice, and then we have to fold it like this. You can see here, and then we will take this part and we will put it inside here like this. You can see here, and we have to do the same in the other side. You can see. You can see here, it is formed like this, and then we have to turn it over, and we have to fold it like this. And then we have to give the shape of the plane. You can see here, and we have to do like this. You can see like this. It will look like this, and now we will fold it from the edge of this from here like this. You can see like this. You have to do the same in the other side. You can see our plane is ready and formed. They're also ready to fly. So after making that plane, you can also color it by these colors.